Hey, 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 here it comes. Hey, 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 hey. All right, stop pulling. Let go of the rope. Everybody drop the rope. Put your toes on the black circle. The black circle. Put your toes. Don't sit down. Quit sitting down all the time.
They're tired.
Well, I tell you what.
I think in school they tell them to sit, you know?
They say crisscross applesauce, yeah, in a circle.
All right, put your toes on the black circle and look towards the middle. The treasure's going in the middle. Toes on the line. Now you think these kids can't understand what I'm saying, but they can do all these things on that dadgum video game. Like do 45 different moves to just pick their hand up one time. They're playing a game on us.
They haven't been at school since March,
Yeah, toes. All of you look down at your toes.
They all got shoes on, they can't see them.
Well, they ought to know where their toes are.
It's tough when you can't see them.
Now, I want y'all to step back and then sit down. I'm gonna let y'all sit down now. Y'all won't see so bad. But you gotta step back first. You didn't move nowhere. Step back. If you're touching the black line, back up. You're too close. Back up. Back up. If you're touching the black line, back up. Back up.
Look, you can stand up and see.
There you go. Fine. Now, y'all stay back there where you'll be safe.
That's right.
I don't want nobody to get hurt today except Guppy. She's brave. She's going to stick her hand in that box and make sure it's
They
safe.
got the crabs out of there.
Yeah. If she finds treasure, though, I'm going to share with you. You helped us find it, and you brought it up on the ship. So you all deserve an equal share. But you cannot cross the line all at once. You're going to have to take turns. That's your job, Bud Shark.
Aye, aye, Captain.
You're going to decide who goes first and who goes last.
All right.
Don't pick anybody if they're standing up.
Nobody's standing up.
Don't pick anybody if they're touching the black line.
Nobody's touching that.
Now, you wait your turn. I'm going to give y'all some special pirate candy.
Look right there.
Well, what do we got today, Captain?
French fried rat tails.
They're crunchy and you can dip them in the Chick-fil-A sauce and you can pull them right off of the bone.
Yeah, that Chick-fil-A sauce. Pretty good stuff.
Good stuff.
All right, now hold up. All of you hold up 3 fingers. Way up now, air. 3. Guppy,
Hi, Captain.
Mud Shark.
Yes, Captain.
That's not 3.
It is 2.
It's not 2 either.
But it's the same.
Yeah, well, I didn't say hold up the same number. I said hold up 3.
Oh,
If you don't know what 3 is, copy one of them kids.
copy it, kid.
They got a smart looking kid. That's good, Bud Shark. Good job. We don't need that finger, you know.
No, you want it? No, oh, right here.
Watch out. Oh!
It's all over the green shirt. You'll never know it.
Throw that shirt away if I was you.
Just a perfect crime.
All right, Guppy, you got 2 3s up. You got to put. Well, that's all right. You good?
I got 2 3s, Cap.
No, that's fine. You did good.
Particle.
I couldn't see you for this pole here in the way.
You
I
just
thought.
assumed
I just assumed, which, you know what that does? We ain't gonna say it, but we know what that does. Now look, everybody remember that number. That's how many pieces of treasure. We're gonna get out of the box. We're all gonna get 3. All right, open it up.
Oh, all right.
Let's see what we got.
It's really heavy. I bet it's full of broccoli. Maybe some cauliflower and Brussels sprouts.
boys or girls? Y'all think they're lying? They're lying, all right. If they don't give us that treasure, you want to see them walk the plank?
That's right, Captain. We'll just swim to the shore.
You're going to drown. You can't swim that far.
The island of shells, Captain. Let's go.
Wait a minute. That's too close.
It's right there. We can
I know. I think of something else. Oh, I know what we could do. You want me to feed them to the sharks?
Please, Captain, we ain't scared of those sharks.
That's right, Captain. We're tough pirates.
That's right, we're tough pirates. We ain't afraid of nothing. I got a sword and I'll chop the sharks to little pieces and we'll cook them for dinner.
And eat it with Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, that's right. You're getting to learn this thing.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A
All right.
sauce is good stuff.
Tell you what, let's do, kids. I'll just send Mud Shark down the stairs.
I ain't scared of going.
You're going to brush your teeth.
What? No!
Then I'm going to take away your shell phone. That's more like it. What's that?
That's your hand.
Ooh, shark! That's a pygmy shark! Look it up! It's a pygmy!
It's a shark! It's a shark!
Calm down, Mud Shark! Mud Shark! It's gone.
Thank you, Captain.
I saw that treasure in there. I knew y'all was lying. Everybody stay seated. Don't anybody get up. Make sure you're behind the black line or you won't get picked.
No, you sit back down.
3 at a time, Mud Shark.